Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter Report of Vit-Ap University. So, few days ago, we discussed about this exception handling in Java. We talked about try block, catch block, finally keyword, and many other things. So, I'm just gonna continue that topic and I'll just tell you a basic example of this topic. This is a very important topic and you should be perfect in it. So I've created this main method, and in this main method, what we'll do try and catch block. We'll run some code using try and catch block. So what I'm doing, I'll just add a try block, and what this try block does, it just oops, it just prints out one. Okay, and after printing out, it throws an error. We are intentionally throwing an error, and I didn't tell you about this. So how can we throw an error intentionally? So it can be done like with throw keyword. Throw and this we have to do new exception. If you look closely over here, I didn't define what kind of exception. That is a complete separate topic, and I promise you I'll tell you about that some other day, but let's just continue with it. So I didn't define any exception type. Okay, so what I'll do is now with the catch statement, first of all I'm getting IO exception. Okay, and let's name it as E. And what it does, it just prints out 2. I'll just add one more catch statement, one or two more. And this catch statement catches empty stack exception. Let's name it also E. And what does this exception do? It prints out 3. I can't more catch it. It handles general exception like all exceptions. And C. And what does it do? It prints out 4. And I'm thinking like maybe we should add the finally keyword also. Finally block also. We discussed about it in the previous session. What it does, finally keyword, it prints out 5. So you might take your time because it is very simple code, simple piece of code. You just figure out what should be the output of the code and try to answer your answer in the comment section. And we are 5 seconds to pause the video. So if we take a look at the output, so what it does, what is the output? It is 145, and let me explain you why it is 145. So when we are like try statement, when our JVM execute try statement, it prints out 1. Then after that it presses an exception because we are intentionally throwing an exception. So what it will do, it will just go to each catch block to check whether our exception, the exception which arose, matches the catch statement. Like what exception does catch statement handle? Is it same as the exception which we choose? So when it comes to this catch statement, it won't be executed. It executes only IO exception, and we didn't define any kind of exception in this case. And after that, it will come to this empty stack exception, and this exception also, it is not empty stack exception, it is it is not any kind of exception because we queue it and we didn't define any like type of exception. What type of exception is it? So then it will come to this block. So what it does, this block, it executes all exceptions. It catches all the exceptions. So that's why after 1 it is gonna print 4. And then comes the finally block. As I told you earlier, the statement in the final block will always get executed. No matter what happens, it will be executed. So that's why we are getting 5, and the answer is 145. I hope it is clear to you all guys. If you still haven't it out, you can just rewind the video, play it again, and if you still face any issue, just ask us in the comment section. We'll take a look at it and we'll try to answer your doubt. Okay. So goodbye for now guys. See you guys in the next week. Thank you.